Welcome to another episode of Mornings on Main, and you can tell we are on scene somewhere really exciting today, so come along on a ride along throughout downtown with Station 3 Ocala Fire Rescue. Do it. Come on. Hi, I'm Janine Plummer with the Crystal Smith Real Estate Group. I'm proud to be from Ocala, and I truly love this community. That's why I'm excited to sponsor the Ocala Main Street podcast, supporting local stories, local businesses, and the place we call home.
We have the basketball court, pickleball court right there.
Oh, that's fun.
Our gym's here. We got a room back here, and we just keep all of our extra gear in for all the different crews. This keeps it away from all the diesel exhaust.
Oh, yeah, that's nice. I know I asked you off camera, but how many guys do you have like on a given shift working?
In this house, we'll have 6 at a time. So we'll usually have 3 guys on the ladder, a captain, a driver, a firefighter. We'll have 2 guys on a rescue.
Yeah.
And then we'll have our battalion chief that stays here as well.
So fun.
Over here, we got the cascade system for filling our SCBA bottles. Right here.
What is that?
This
You're
is
like
the
water
cascade.
bottles?
It's called the cascade system. It's for filling our SCBA bottles that we wear on our back.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So we have, there's our chief right now.
Oh, look at him coming in.
We got like all these bottles like these.
Oh,
We
yeah.
wear on our back. We fill them right here in the house.
I see. With oxygen.
With air.
With air.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Oxygen is an oxidizer.
Okay.
Yeah. Common misconception.
Sure.
So this is our BC's truck right here. That's why he comes and goes throughout the day, but
Yeah.
He'll be around a little bit.
To say hello. So cool. Ready to go. Are you stay ready like that?
Always. Yep.
That's so neat.
Yep. So a rescue truck.
Yep.
This is we run all the medical calls in this truck, right?
Yep.
And then if we have a structure fire, they respond because this obviously is faster than our.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
They'll get there first, jump in. They'll do a search of the building,
Mhm.
and then we'll get there and we'll pull a hose line and we'll suppress the fire.
Okay.
They'll search for victims.
That's
Yeah, so
okay.
they do medical calls and then searches on fires.
Wow. I'm sure they stay busy then.
Oh yeah. Got like a little laundry room here.
Neat.
Yeah. Live stuff.
There must be like a special way to wash your guys' equipment and stuff too, right?
Yeah, we have an extractor.
Yeah.
Bay there for just our gear.
I remember somebody telling me that. I don't remember why it came up in conversation, but this is beautiful.
Yeah, so this is our dorm. We got our different rooms on each side. We got 3 beds in each room.
Oh, they're like Murphy beds.
Yep.
Oh,
they fold
neat.
down.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, cool.
And so, like at night, we have the speakers are in the ceiling, so the tones will come through the speakers, wake us up. We run out the door. Yeah.
80 seconds, he
80
said.
seconds, yeah. A couple of bathrooms, of course.
Yeah.
Kitchen.
Hello again, guys.
We got three sets of cupboards, 3
Nice.
fridges, so each crew has their own stuff.
So fun.
Living room.
Oh, look how cool. I love that.
Battalion chief's office is back there.
Yeah.
And he has his own dorm back there as well.
Oh, very cool.
And then we have, like on the patio, we have our
I saw your
grills
grill and
smokers
all that
stuff.
stuff. Oh, yeah, it's so nice.
Yep.
Look how cool. When was this building created? It wasn't that long ago, right? Like the
Hey, Riker.
station?
When was this station built? Do you remember?
I'm trying to figure out how to save it to the desktop now. I think I just did. You still want me to send it to you?
2020?
2020?
Yeah, it's newer, I think, right? One of the newer ones. It's very nice. Oh, Brick City Beasts. Is that your guys' emblem or something?
Yeah, for this house. Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool. Do they all have one?
Pretty much, yeah.
Oh, that's so cool.
Station.
I only got one speed, James. You.
You're en route responding to a call. It's a fire alarm.
Yep, fire alarm.
And anything we should know?
That's about all we know right now.
That's all we know.
Yep.
But they treat every call,
Every fire alarm. Like
every
real
fire. That's right. So they're all geared up. I got a video of him gearing up.
Yep.
So, all right, let's see what we see.
En route to this call, the Fire Station 3 was notified that it was a false alarm. So we were able to turn around and go back to the station.
Ocala 3-65 Fraunhofer, Chastain, Vanguard High School, 7 Northwest 28th Street, 7 Northwest 2th Street, Mayor 217, where we main office.
This call involved a minor, so we were not able to film inside. Thank you for riding along with Fire Station 3. See you next time.
Come on.